I'm going to show you 3 recommended squishies. These squishies in ways are not recommended and are recommended. So yeah, the first one is this hamburger. The reason it's recommended is it's really soft and squishy. The reason it's not recommended is it cracks on the top. But it's licensed right there. And so yeah. Next recommended or not recommended squishy is this pancake. I cut it right there, but the reason it's recommended is it's really good quality and really soft. And it's actually a good size. So yeah, but the reason it's not recommended is it's like foamy. So the last recommended squishy is this jumbo turtle melon bun. The reason it's not recommended is if you squish this too much, the head is gonna get defected right there. And it's gonna get really cracked in places, and it's gonna get like, it has a lot of air bubbles. So yeah, but the reason it is recommended is that it's so slow rising, it's so squishy. And this is the jumbo one. So yeah, everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye!